I bet you don't have 31 green fidgets. Bet. Let's start in this drawer. 1 and 2. These 3 squishy icky balls, so that is 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this drawer, I have 5 mochis, so that's 14, 15, 16, and 17, and 18. This avocado plushie dimple for 19, 20, and 21, 22, 20, and 24. Nothing in here. And in here I have this green Christmas tree, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, and lastly, this green dough ball for 31. I did realize that I missed one number, so this water snake is for 29. I do have 31 green fidgets, so I win this one, but you can always try again. Bye, guys!